Do you want to know the easiest way to make money with PayPal? Simply do step number 1, which is to sign up to a platform that provides free PayPal cash codes. Step 2 is to complete some basic and simple activities on the said platform. And step 3 is to watch your money grow passively while you sleep. I'm going to show you a brand new way and a brand new website in today's video that will earn you the fastest PayPal money you'll ever have in your life. However, the outcome isn't certain and you could earn less or more. But I can tell you one thing, if you don't follow the appropriate instructions throughout this video, you won't be able to achieve results like this. So make sure you watch all the way through to the finish of the lesson to learn everything there is to know about this free internet making money strategy. Hey there! Welcome to Online Money Plug, where we connect you to anything that will help you earn quick money online. On this channel, we love to give away free money, and we're giving away $100 worth of gift cards in PayPal to 10 lucky people once our channel hits 15,000 subscribers. To enter this exciting giveaway, I need you to follow the exact instructions and unique code that are given in the middle of this video. So make sure you watch all the way to the end to know the exact approach. Now here are the winners for the previous $50 giveaways. Congrats! You just won for viewing all of my videos and entering unique codes. You can be the next one to win if you follow all the steps to enter the giveaways. Now just before we dive into the tutorial, smash the thumbs up button if you like this kind of content. Also, if you haven't already, subscribe to this channel and turn on the notification bell for you to be notified every time a new video is uploaded. Now, let's jump right into the video so I can show you everything. Let me show you how much I've made through PayPal as a result of this website. If you go to this platform and follow all of my instructions, you too might earn this amount of money. Now, this is the website that we'll be using today, and I'll reveal the URL of this platform later. But for now, let's talk about what it can do for you. It's basically a platform where you can earn money online by completing surveys and redeeming cash and gift cards from the comfort of your own home. However, I'm going to teach you various methods to make money more on our site. And I'm not just going to show you how to make money by doing surveys. I'm also going to show you how to earn money in better ways on our platform today. For the time being, I'd like you to register a free account on this website. You can create an account providing your first and last name, email address, and password. After that, you should click the Start Making Money button below to formally start creating your account. On the other hand, if you want a better sign-up experience for our platform for today, you could also use Facebook. After you've done that, you'll be logged into your dashboard, which will look like this. And the first thing you'll need to do here is to start earning money is going to Offer Walls section right here. After that, you'll be directed to this website where you may find a variety of tasks and other information. But what I want you to do first is to click the Categories button right here, and then select the free option from the drop-down menu. By doing so, you will not have to pay for anything because you will have already sorted out and made all of the products available for free. You can now get compensated for various chores such as answering surveys, claiming free samples, submitting emails, and so on. That being said, there are literally tens of thousands of things you can do here for free. But as I already mentioned, doing these activities will not be our primary approach for today on this platform. So stay tuned to find out what I'm talking about, as it will undoubtedly earn you hundreds if not thousands of dollars through your PayPal accounts. Returning to our list of items, there are actually a lot of tasks you may complete, which is one of the things I like about this technique. You can actually have a limitless amount of money and opportunities since you can simply reload the page and new jobs will be presented to you afterward. With that out of the way, it's time to move on to the second portion of the site that you'll want to check out, which is the Contest section. To do so, you must first go to the Win section of this page, and then click the Contest option after that. Doing that will direct you to this page, where they are holding contests for which you can sign up for free. As you can see, they run a variety of contests such as Offer Wall contest, Surveys contest, and Referral contest, where they give out free points that may later be redeemed for PayPal cash. Essentially, if you complete the majority of the activities in the offer wall section, such as responding to surveys, sending emails, and so on, you can win a spot in the leaderboards right here. If you are in the leaderboards, you will be one of the winners who will receive bonus points for this contest, allowing you to earn more money on this platform. For example, by being in the top rank of the leaderboards, this individual has earned 1,000 points. This number of points can be converted into $50 in PayPal cash, which is a wonderful deal. Earning so many points, though, isn't difficult if you're committed in completing all of the tasks in the offer wall section. If you truly want to keep earning that extra $50 again and again, make sure you're on the leaderboards by completing all of the jobs listed in the offer walls. Now, just before we go any further, if you've enjoyed the video so far, please give it a big thumbs up. And if you want to be entered to win $100, make sure to watch until the end of the video to find out the code word to enter and win. But for now, it's time to get back to work and continue making money. Now, returning to dashboard, you must select win and you must select raffles from the drop-down menu. By clicking that, you'll be taken to the third location on this platform, where you can enter daily raffles to win prizes. This is basically free money, and you can earn gift cards worth $10, $5, $20, or even $50, as you can see below. By pressing the enter button right beside the offer, you can actually earn that extra cash of money by participating in all of these raffles. Additionally, they have forthcoming raffles listed below, so enter them all to maximize your chances of earning more and more money on this site. However, the easiest approach to start making money on our site is to use your own referral link to ask others to join. To do so, you must click on the invite category, then select earn with referrals options from drop-down menu. This will transport you to a page where you can read the following text. It says, "Get referrals, tell your friends, family, and classmates about Prize Rebel." With that in mind, our unique and precise platform for today is called PrizeRebel.com, which you should check out as soon as possible. Now, back to what I was saying. Here is your unique referral link. Now, as your referrals earn points through your referral links, you will receive a 15% bonus income depending on their earnings, which is very powerful in other words. If one of your referral earns $100, you may earn $15 only from that one person. That means that if you have 10 referrals, you may easily earn $150 in pure passive income. However, your referrals must also open an account on PrizeRebel.com. And after that they have earned some money, you will receive 15% of whatever they earn. So it's basically a win-win situation where they can win some money and you will get a portion of their money as well. Now, keep an eye out because I'm about to introduce to you our second unique platform for today. This is a fresh new website called webmasterson.com, and it is a typical traffic source for our veteran online money makers. This is a Make Money Online forum where thousands of individuals have posted about how to make money online. For instance, you may find answers to these queries regarding digital marketing, social media marketing, and other topics right here. However, you will need to comment on the thread of the post and you will want to persuade the platform's millions of users to visit PrizeRebel.com, where they make extra money cash online through the use of your special referral link. Finally, they will be registered as your referrals after they use your referral link, and you will start earning 15% of whatever they earn on this platform. And that sums up today's tutorial. Now onto the giveaway. If you want to be entered to win one of 10 $100 gift cards, all you need to do is subscribe to our channel, like this video, and comment the code word Free PayPal Money Online. Once again, enter the code word Free PayPal Money Online, and you'll be entered to win once we hit 15,000 subscribers. It's that easy. And if you would like more chances to win, there are more code words and other videos on our channel, so be sure to watch some of our other recent uploads if you want a better chance of winning. For more content like this, go on and check out my other videos too, so you'll maximize your results in making that big pile of cash straight into your accounts.